gonna walk up here with him.
What's that?
That dog up there, I'm scared of dogs.
Ah, it's a bite? Bruh. Alright, it ain't gonna do nothing to you. Come on. Hello. Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
We watch you all the time, man.
How you doing? Hey, what's going on? How you doing? What's your name?
Josh.
Josh, how you doing, Josh?
My wife, Mindy. Yeah, we watch you all the time.
I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it.
Told her we'd run into you at some point.
Yep.
Yeah, I just got back from where I go? Mexico yesterday.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, yesterday. This morning actually, man. I got to Cincinnati.
Went to the reseller rally and all that.
Yeah, it was pretty nice.
Was it?
It was pretty nice, yeah. It wasn't about reselling. That's what I like. I like the party, you know.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, shut. It's shut.
The screen.
Yeah, shut. You probably just see the screen, but the door shut. Yeah.
I'm trying to get all my avenues. I tell you too.
You trying to make sure, right? Like make sure I got this.
This is crazy, I know.
Nah, that's how it's supposed to be, you know. Don't get too comfortable. You never know. You never know. I don't know what I'm looking at. Y'all know I ain't no golf guy. Bruh. Old school. We used to have some of these when we was younger.
I just don't want it to go to waste. I don't want it to be thrown away. I just don't want it to be thrown away. You know what?
a stain in them. How much for your lawn chairs back? Some of your lawn chairs back there.
What did you say?
Some of your lawn chairs, the ones in the back.
Oh,
I'll call you right back.
Can it be raining, right?
Yeah, it looks like it's about to rain, doesn't it? Like this one and these two right here, I believe. How much?
$5 each.
5 each? Let's see. All right, later. All right, let's see this one. This one. Let's see. This one. It's rain. It's rain. It's for the birds. Yeah, you want to take it in? You good? I'm picking the ones I want. I think I want them two. And maybe she thought I was about to steal it. I don't. That's probably the most expensive one, but I'm gonna leave that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this rain is killing them. All right, I got 5 of them down there.
Okay. I'm just looking what's gonna get hurt by.
Yeah, I know. These 3 and those 2. Yeah.
Okay, 10, 25. Oh, yeah. 25. Right?
25?
Uh-huh.
So 5 apiece? You do 20 for them all?
Huh?
You do 20? $20 for them all?
23.
Let's do it. Do 23.
Okay.
Let me go. Get the money out the car.
Oh,
You want to take it over there first? Let's do it then.
yeah.
I appreciate you.
No.
I'm going to count that and let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Thank you. Hopefully it don't rain. Good luck. A good day?
Today or what?
Yeah, I'm just going around yard selling and that's it.
Okay, what you doing?
Oh, and I record, so sometimes when I go, I show her what I see.
Oh, really?
And she loves it,
My
yeah.
son has this things, and when they fish, and he put on.
Oh, you put it on?
You put it on YouTube?
Yeah, on YouTube. It's called Tesla Picker, yeah.
Really?
Yes, it's good.
It's wonderful. First time I see
Yeah.
a person in you know, live was doing this.
People like to watch.
Absolutely. My son, he can do everything, photography, but he cannot speak.
Oh, okay.
That's why if you don't speak, like la la la.
Yeah,
you have to do
he can
so.
put subtitles so people can read, you know.
Yeah, but people like
People like to hear.
entertainment, Yeah.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Look, I just bought those chairs from a lady, and the lady came back and set some more out. You can't see from here. The yellow one right there, she just set out. It sold yesterday for $59.99. Should I go back and get it? And she got a green one there too. I hate getting big stuff, man, but I might have to go back and negotiate some more. Let's do it. I didn't know you had these. I didn't see these the first time. $3 for this one because it's rusted.
Yeah, it's taken in the beach.
Ah, okay, that's sand and water. These the last two you have right here, these two?
If you want different, bring back and again, you want it this way. You need to bring.
Right.
Have your.
All right, I do eight for both. All right. 8. Well, thank you again. There you go. Over here at my storage unit, as you can tell, well, it looks like the sun's trying to come out now. It's a gloomy day. It's been raining off and on all morning, so your sales was kind of dead this morning. There was a lot of people who was supposed to set up but didn't. You know, a lot of your sales I traveled to, like I said, they didn't put nothing out, so I just kept going, and so I didn't get much. Well, I say I didn't get much, but I did get some things from this one your sales. As you probably saw earlier, I got a bunch of chairs, old vintage line beach type chairs. Now, if you follow Commonwealth Pick, that's the first person I actually seen sell these. He gets these chairs all the time. Whenever he see them, if he can get them for a couple dollars, $5, he gets them because they go for pretty good. I've seen them go for upwards of $150 for one chair, just depending on which one you get. So if you're willing to ship these things, it's a great thing to get. I have the room, I guess, because I got the storage unit, so I decided to pick them up. If I would have brought these chairs home, it would have been ugly. So yes, sir. Let's look at them real quick. So this yellow one right here, it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna let it all the way out, but I've seen these go sale. Actually, one sold just like this yesterday for $60. So I think that one's gonna do pretty good. This one right here might be the worst of them all as far as rust, but it's surface rust, so somebody can get that surface rust off. They seem to be like in good shape though, as far as, you know, usually these are broken or torn or something, and they seem to look pretty good, so that's a good thing. Like I said, that little rust, somebody can get that off. Now those was beach layout chairs. These right here are just regular old chairs right there. Don't know if I'm gonna sell them individually or together. There's one. Here's another. That one looks pretty good. Nice design up there. And there's another. This one's a little different. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. A little different. This one that lays out. All you Florida Gators fans, I thought this one was the best looking one. Usually, you know, the extravagant colors do the best. Look at that. I like that. That one's actually pretty nice. This one looks new too, so I think this might be one of the best looking ones as far as shape is concerned. There's another one. Got that nice palm tree right there. Pretty nice. And then this one right here. That one looks pretty good. So it's different. It's like a 9-line material. And that's it as far as the chairs. I got some other stuff that I need to take back up here that I was supposed to put in the yard sale. But yeah, man, these right here, I think would do good. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chairs. And what I spent $23 for the first batch and $8 for the second batch. So I spent in all $31 for 8 chairs. So I'll keep you up to date on how this does. Yeah, and as far as shipping, man, people who's concerned are wondering how I'm gonna ship this stuff, I can go to Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere and get a big enough box. Even if I have to cut it up, go around that, it shouldn't be that bad. Slide it right in there, boom, done. Bubble wrap, some paper, and it shouldn't be that bad. You know, these chairs right here, I just don't think it'll be that bad, all right? So I'm gonna take these up to my storage unit. I do have one announcement I want to make. I have another channel called Everything TP. I'm gonna link that down in the description. This is gonna be a channel where I do all my lives, my short videos, and just talk about reselling and a little bit of everything. So if you like a little bit of everything, it's called Everything TP. follow the link. All right, show your boy some love. Some of you already have, and I really appreciate it. All right, and I'm gonna get off of here. Shameless plug. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.